What's up, nerds? This is Mr. Storm. Today we're going to use the information that we've learned about how to create emails, how to send emails in our Gmail assignment from last time, our Gmail quiz. We're going to use that information to create a professional email, okay? So again, I've given you links so that you can learn all the things that you need to learn. And then the email basics assignment is this. So I'm going to ask you to send me an email. That's how you're going to turn in your assignment this time. You're going to send me an email. You're not going to be turning things into Google Classroom for this assignment. You will send me an email. So there are 10 requirements here. Okay. The first requirement is easy. You must send it from your utahmilitaryacademy.org email address, right? So it must be from your UMA email address. Do not send it from your, I'm awesome 420 at gmail.com assignment, right? Or an email address. Make sure it's sent from your school's email address. This is going to be a professional email. Number 2, you must set up a professional email signature before you compose your email. You must write a relevant subject line. You must include a greeting line and a closing line. There must be no spelling or grammatical errors. Include a few sentences in the body telling me what you think about this class so far. Include a link to your favorite website. Include a photo. Attach a Microsoft Word document. Doesn't matter what it is. And then include a file from Google Drive using Drive Link. So I'm going to show you how to complete that. Let me go ahead and close out all these other tabs that I don't need. Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. And I'm going to go to my email. So mail.google.com. Okay, it's going to load my UMA email address because that's the one I'm signed into. And once I'm in my email, I can go over and click Compose. Okay, now this is my Compose window that lets me create new emails. I'm going to pop this out so that we can see it a little bit easier. Okay, now first thing I want you to notice is that I already have an email signature in my email. Basically, when I compose a new email from this email account, it's going to put this in the bottom of every single email that I create. Let me show you how to do that, because if you haven't set this up, it may be a little confusing to figure out how to do. So I'm going to minimize that. What you're going to want to do is go up to your settings. Okay, it's going to load your settings, and this will give you all the options about your email account. Okay, if you scroll down, you will see there's an option for signature. Okay, you're going to want to click signature and then type in what you want your signature block to be. Usually it's going to be your name, your title, the company that you're working for, contact information, so on and so forth, right? So you can do something just kind of like this, make it professional, right? Now when I go back to my message, go back and maximize that, it'll be in there. If you're not seeing this in your Compose, you're going to want to go back and do your signature, okay? Now, what's the other thing that I need to do? Let's check. So it's from that email account, professional email signature, already 2 things down, and I haven't even really done anything yet. Relevant subject line. So your subject line, well, first let me put in the 2. For me, for your assignment, it's going to be sending it to me. I can send it to my, other email account. Or let's send it to, I don't know. I'm going to send it to myself. Why not? All right, and the subject line is going to be professional email, or you can do email basics assignment. Now notice that I am using title case in the subject line. Okay, title case means that every word in this thing is all capitalized, right? Every word in here begins with a capital letter because it's essentially a title. Okay, you don't want to do this. Even though it's the same words, it just looks less professional, right? So you want to use title case with your subject line. Okay, so now my subject line is done. Let's go here. Include a greeting line and a closing line. Greeting lines are easy. hello, or if you want to be real fancy, salutations, right? Or good day, sir. Okay, again, using title case, right? And I want a closing line, right? So usually those are like, thank you, right? There must be no spelling or grammatical errors, obviously. A few sentences in the body telling me what you think of the class so far. I am really enjoying this class. Blah, 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 right? A couple sentences. Include a link to your favorite website. Links are pretty easy, okay? If you look down here, there are a couple of options that we can use. This right here, the one that looks like a chain, is a link, okay? And I can put text to display, my website, and I can go to, let's find my website, UtahMilitaryAcademy.com or .org. There we go. Ogden. And I will go to leadership and staff, boom, 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 boom. And this can be any website you want, whatever's comfortable for you. Did I skip past myself? Where am I? Oh no, I don't work here anymore. Oh no, it's not alphabetical. Keep going, keep going. There we go. And I can, let's just go ahead and go to website. This is not an updated version of the website, so don't freak out if it looks different. But I can click here, boom, and okay. And so now I have a link to that website. Okay. What's the next thing? I need to insert a photo. Well, that's easy. Oh, that's easy. All I have to do is go down here and hey, look, insert a photo. And I can upload or I can do a web address, you know, things like that. Let's go images.google.com and I'm going to look for school. Doesn't really matter, right? And I can take this, save link as, oh no, sorry, not that. Copy link address, that's what you want to do. Copy link address, go back, paste. Interesting, so I can't find that one. Let's go back, let's do this one. Copy link address, we'll go back, paste. Oh, all right, well, maybe we'll just do an upload and I can just choose a picture. Let's do this one. That one's good. Okay, so I have my picture. Yeah, when you step outside for the first time in weeks, Mr. Worldwide. Anyway, so there's my picture. And then, let's see, attach a Microsoft Word document. Doesn't matter what it is. So now I can go down here and click my attach button to attach files. And I can find a document, right? I have a paper that I wrote. Sure, I'll attach that. And so now it'll be down here in my attachments. And then I can go, let's see, add a file from my Google Drive using Drive Link. So if I go down here, I can see insert files using Drive. So I can go to my Google Drive and find files that I think would be great. And I'm just going to use my quiz that I created before. And that'll pop that in there. So now I have all the requirements completed, and then I will send the email. Okay? That's all you need to do. I just need to be able to see that you can create an email and send it to me. Make sure it's professional. Make sure all the requirements are met. And once you meet all the requirements and turn it in, I will give you a grade and you'll be good. And if you have any questions, I'm here. Thank you for paying attention, and I will see you next time.